students. Today we will start with our lesson number 4, part 2 for standard 6. And our lesson is an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. We know that she was first woman, Indian American woman who is going space shuttle. Okay, so let's something know about US space shuttle Columbia. We know that this space shuttle broke apart with the crew of craft on 1st February 2003. It's end with the tragedy. Okay, so let's learn about Columbia space shuttle. Kalpana's first space mission is Space Shuttle Columbia. It was Kalpana Chawla's first space mission. It was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. So it's 16 days long. This space shuttle is 16 days long. It was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. Then lifted off on 16 January 2003. This space shuttle was lifted on 16 January 2003. It was flying at the height of over 2 lakh feet and traveled at over 20,000 km per hour. It's flying over the height of over 2 lakh feet. Flying at the height of 2 lakh feet and traveled at around 20,000 km per hour. When she went, Kalpana Chawla went around the earth 252 times. In this space shuttle, she went or the crew went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometer. Okay, this space shuttle traveling 10.45 million kilometer. The crew include a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Astronaut means a person who trained to travel in spacecraft. Okay, a person who trained to travel in spacecraft. It's called astronaut. So there are 7 members in the crew of Columbia space shuttle, and it includes a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut in this crew. These crew members conducted 80 experiments. How many experiments? 80. They conducted or they did 80 experiments in this space shuttle in these 16 days. Columbia broke on 1st February, Saturday 2003 with the tragedy. Okay, it's broke apart on 1st February, Saturday 2003. So this one is the introduction of the US space shuttle Columbia. Okay, it's conducted by the crew, the 7 members. There are 7 members in the crew and Kalpana Chawla also there. Okay, so now we start the lesson. We have done 4 points in our first part. Today we will start with the page number 48 with the point number 5. So Kalpana Chawla told the people that all people encourage me for my future, and they told me that do whatever you want to do, and I am here. Okay, she want to tell the people that they also inspire. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. She went around the earth 252 times in this traveling. Sea traveling or the crew traveling 10.55 million kilometers. The crew include a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew perform experiments such which type of experiments they did, such as pollinating plants to observe food grows in space, food will grow on this space or not. They also did this experiment, and test of for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. They also did the experiment of computer chips and metals, some types of metals that for making stronger on this space. For all price take about $56 million. This experiment's price is $56 million. On the Saturday night when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. All the world was in shock, and the people were disbelief of this disaster of Columbia's broke. They didn't believe that this Columbia space shuttle have broken. The town of Karnal spent sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. The town of Karnal, where she born in Haryana, the 1,000 household family had not sleep that night. Sleepless night. That night was sleepless because all have hoped that Kalpana and the crew were survived anyhow. But they heard the news about the disaster and wreck of the Columbia. So they all are sat before the television all night. So a journalist wrote these lines. She was a heroine. Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Here enormous means inbuilt abilities. So it takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. She has inbuilt ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. It is not simple to become an astronaut because you have to know every knowledge of biology, aerophysics and aeronautical engineering. These all subjects knowledge you have to earn by yourself. Then also you became an astronaut. So one journalist written here that Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. She has inbuilt ability to become an astronaut. You have to need lot of knowledge. You gain your knowledge about aeronautical engineering, biology and astrophysics. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. And encyclopedic means you have all the knowledge of astronaut. Her achievement is inspiring. Her achievement is always for inspiring for all the people and all the students who are studying in astronomy. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the sky. One girl is from the small town Karnal in Haryana. She touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she spanned from aboard the space shuttle. Okay, so in this message she sent from aboard the space shuttle, Columbia, two students for her college in Chandigarh. She sent a message from the space shuttle when she was in space shuttle to the students of college, to student of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said in her message that the path from dreams to success does exist. The path from dreams to success does exist. There is a way of your dream to the success is there. May you have the vision to find it. You have a vision to find it, to find this way. It is invisible way, but you have to find out this path. It is, this path is from your dream to your success. The courage to get into it. Wishing you great journey. She sent this message to the students of Chandigarh. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill this dream. This message is for them who wants to start this type of journey to fulfill their dreams. This message, this chapter is adapted from Spain, January and February 1998. So this lesson is about Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian American woman who go in space shuttle, and this one is her first mission, space shuttle Columbia, and you have to write down about space shuttle Columbia in your English notebook for lesson 4. And we will meet with this lesson exercise in our next lecture. Thank you.